have with me traffic DCP Mr. Rajesh Mohan with me on NDTV. Yesterday in Gurgaon, we saw torrential rainfall leading to nightmarish traffic snarls. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. It has started raining and today we will see moderate to heavy rainfall throughout the day. Therefore, all the offices have been switched to work from home. Schools are taking online classes. Sir, what happened yesterday is completely shocking. We saw, people stuck in traffic jam for almost 4 hours for a 2 kilometer stretch, 3 kilometer stretch. But the traffic police staff was on ground and they were helping people. How did you tackle the situation?
First of all, thank you for having me. The point is that yesterday the timing of rainfall was such that people had gone to offices and then rainfall started. So due to which rainfall and the exit of the vehicles on the roads was was happening simultaneously. This resulted in traffic congestion at multiple points, as you rightly pointed out. Now, yesterday at our traffic control room, we received approximately 570 plus distress calls where people were stuck in various traffic congestion, jams, and uh, some other issues were also there.
Most of the cars, almost 288 cars, broke down obviously because of the rain. And those cars were towed by the traffic staff who were deployed there till midnight. But sir, my question to you is how is Gurgaon Traffic Police collaborating with MCG to ensure that, the critical points like Narsinghpur, Ifko Chowk, Rajiv Chowk do not face waterlogging leading to traffic disruptions? What are the permanent solution to this?
So, traffic police in coordination with municipal corporation and GMDA, that is the agency which takes care about the development of Gurugram. So, we have identified close to 119 waterlogging points. And along with other things, including some other points, we have identified 123 points where there are chances of congestion happening or some other kind of jam happening. So we have deployed teams across these points. Overall, close to 1,090 people are deployed. Traffic staff is deployed at these points, and they work in coordination with the staff of GMDA and municipal corporation. We have a deployment of cranes, towing cranes. There are 32 towing cranes, 3 hydras, which are deployed on the roads of Gurgaon. Whenever there is, as you rightly pointed out, 288 plus vehicle breakdown were reported yesterday, and those vehicles were removed instantaneously. Along with that, we have provided the chains and other things, saws and other things. If there is a tree which is obstructing the way, that can be removed from there. Plus, we are also having water pumps. So what are these water pumps is then whenever there is water logging at any site, so we activate these pumps. For example, one is at Rajiv Chowk and other places. So the pump operator is there.
Do you think, sir, those pumps are not sufficient in number? Do you think MCG should deploy more number of such pumps? Do you think MCG is lacking in a certain way to, address the public's concern?
See, I think we should realize it. This is a problem that we have to confront in coordination with each other. So a society also should have an element, media also has an element for dissemination of correct information. GMDA, traffic police, all these departments are working towards facilitating the people so that the people do not face the convenience. There are multiple geographical factors also. There is a gradient in Gurgaon which are resulting in water not being absorbed into the ground and it's flowing through the roads.
But there is also the clogged drains, improper stormwater drainage system, and of course, unchecked development that is taking.
So that is a point. That is a urban phenomenon. We are working. I think maybe we are lagging a bit with regard to development. Development is happening a little faster, and the civil communities are taking time to catch it up. But we are working in coordination with all the departments. And with regard to traffic jam, I can tell you that our force is always on the ground. Our duty timings are such 8 to 8 p.m. Yesterday, because of the rainfall, those were extended, and the traffic police personnel were there on the roads till 11:30. Your reporters would have also noticed that part. So that is the point that we want to provide relief to the public.
So the kind of visuals that we saw yesterday, do you think that is in Gurgaon's history, the longest traffic snarl ever?
So it's not the longest. We were able to complete resolve the traffic jam in 3-4 hours. Uh, I'm again telling you the timing of the rainfall and the office timings when office were closing. So they were at the same time. So because of that, all the vehicles went on the road, and so we had this challenge. We had this problem to make those vehicles reach their designations, reach their homes. So that was our challenge, and we had to do it as fast as possible. So we were able to do it in 3-4 hours, and that. So major challenges we faced was, for example, if there is a from exit of Rajiv Chowk, there is Subhash Chowk. There was waterlogging there. So point is that these vehicles, modern vehicles, they have automatic systems. So if they sense the water, they get locked automatically. So we had to remove them. Plus the biggest issue is that there is a psychological fear in the mind of drivers also. If they don't know how much depth of water is there, so they don't move in that direction. So whole the traffic gets jammed. So our traffic personnel, they get into that water, and if it's below the knee, so then the driver gets a confidence that yes, his vehicle can move in that direction. So our traffic start coordinates that, and they help that move in that direction. And when vehicle doesn't stop, then it should keep on moving. Point is, it should keep on moving. So if it keep on moving, then the jam would not be there. So even if there is jam, it will be resolved after say half an hour or 1 hour. That is there. In fact, if I would request you, if you can come with me, I am also seeing one more spot. You can join me, and we can see how we are working.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to NDTV. You heard from the traffic DCP of Gurgaon how the traffic staff, they are on and out and about, helping people tackle this rain menace. And of course, it's time for the city's administration to wake up, get its act together, and ensure that waterlogging, this perennial issue, kind of gets curbed. And the people, the residents living here, people who come here to work, they do not have a difficult time in commuting. With camera person Aman, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.